Good morning student, welcome back to the next video. In today's video, I am going to explain you lesson 19, Gulliver in the Lands of Little Men. Children, in this lesson we see Gulliver was a man who was a good swimmer also. And once what happened when he was traveling in a ship beyond India, his ship suddenly stuck a rock and broke into pieces. After a long swim, when he was tired, he lay down on the soft sandy beach, and when he woke up, he found that he was unable to move his legs and arms. So, who tied his legs and arms? Let's see in this lesson. So let's begin the lesson 19, Gullivers in the Lands of Little Men. Once an Englishman named Gulliver was traveling in a ship beyond India. Suddenly his ship struck a rock and broke into pieces. Only Gulliver escaped death, and all others were drowned in the sea. Gulliver was a good swimmer and managed to reach an island. What happened? Gulliver was an Englishman and he was traveling in a ship beyond India. What happened? Suddenly his ship struck a rock and broke into pieces. Ship क्या हुआ? पत्थर से पहाड़ टकरा गया और छोटे छोटे पीसेस में टूट गया. ओनली गुलिवर एस्केप डेथ. गुलिवर को छोड़ के बाकी सब लोग ड्रोन मीन्स डूब गए सी में, मतलब समुद्र में सब के सब डूब गए गुलिवर को छोड़ के. गुलिवर वॉज अ गुड स्विमर एंड मैनेज टू रीच एन आइलैंड्स. गुलिवर बहुत अच्छा तैराकी था और वह अपने आप को मैनेज करके अपने आइलैंड पर पहुंचा. अपने आइलैंड्स पे नहीं, इसलैंड पे पहुंचा. After the long swim, Gulliver was tired. He lay down on the soft sandy beach of the island. He slept for a long time. When he woke up, he found that he was unable to move his leg and arm as they were tied with leather strip. His hair which was quite thick and was also tied. What happened when he got up? When he was tired and when ship struck a rock and broke into pieces. Anyhow, Gulliver was a good swimmer and he tried to reach an island. Then after that he was too tired and he think that he will lay down on the soft sandy beach of the islands, and he decided that he will lay down on the soft sandy beach. Then he slept for a long time there, and when he woke up, what he saw that his legs and arms were tied with leather strips, and they were unable and he was unable to move his arms and leg, and not his legs and arms were tied with leather strips. His hair which was quite thick मतलब मोटा and long और बड़े भी थे, was also tied with leather strip, मतलब चमड़े के पट्टे से उसको बांधा गया था. Slept मतलब सोना, long time मतलब बहुत देर तक. जब गुलिवर थक जाता है और आइलैंड के किनारे पहुंचता है तो वह सोचता है कि मैं यह बीच के किनारे, मतलब समुद्र के सैंडी बीच जहाँ पर रेतीली रहती है किनारे में आराम करता हूँ. और वह वहाँ पर बहुत देर तक सो जाता है. लेकिन जब सो करके वह उठ करके देखता है तो वह देखता है कि उसके हाथ पैर लेदर स्ट्रिप से, चमड़े की स्ट्रिप से बंधे हुए हैं. ना ही उसके पैर हाथ ही बंधे थे, बल्कि उसके जो हेयर बहुत मोटे और लंबे थे वह भी चमड़े के उससे बांध दिए गए थे. Within a few minutes, he heard a strange sound near him. Children, you all see in the picture Gulliver, and he was tied with leather strips. See, and the little men were standing. They were very small. After a few minutes, he heard a strange sound near him. Then he felt something moving along his left leg. Slowly it came up to his chest. When Gulliver looked up, he saw a little man not more than 6 inches high with a bow and arrow in his hand. Behind him came up hundreds of other tiny men like him. They all had bow and arrow in their hands. Then after when he woke up, he heard one a strange sound near him. Then he saw when Gulliver looked up, he saw a little man not more than 6 inches, and they were having bow and arrow in their hands. Behind him came up hundreds of other tiny men like him, and they all had bow and arrow in their hands. जैसे ही वह वोकअप होता है, देखता है कि उसके हाथ पैर बाल सब लेदर स्ट्रिप से बंधे हुए हैं, तो उसको एक अजीब सी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. तो वह देखता है कि he felt something moving along his left leg, कि उसके जो लेफ्ट लेग्स में कुछ चीज़ चल रहा है. देन वो धीरे धीरे करके उसके चेस्ट के पास पहुंचता है. तब गुलिवर देखता है कि वो एक छोटा सा 6 इंच का मैन है, जिसके बो और एरो भी, तीर और कमान है दोनों भी. बिहाइंड हिम केम अप हंड्रेड्स, और उसके साथ साथ बहुत हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मैन भी उसके पास आ गए हैं, और उनके हाथों में बो और एरो हैं. गुलिवर वॉज ग्रेटली सरप्राइज्ड. He shouted aloud and pulled his arm free from leather strip. Then Gulliver was greatly surprised by looking that 6 inches little man's in their hands bows and arrows was there. Then he was surprised. Surprise मतलब आश्चर्य हो जाता है. The hundreds of tiny cords broke as he moved his left arms. He frightened the little men who were around him. Then what happened? When he moved he shouted aloud and pulled his arm free from leather strip. The hundreds of tiny cords broke as he moved his left arm. When he shouted that, "Why you all tied with me with a leather strip, your legs and arms and hair?" Then when he moved his left arm, then hundreds of tiny cords broke, and the little men were frightened who were around him. मतलब गुलिवर्स बहुत सरप्राइज्ड हो गया, और जब वह देखता है कि उसके हाथ पैर पूरे लेदर स्ट्रिप से बंधे हुए हैं, तब वह लेफ्ट आर्म को थोड़ा सा हिलाता है. तभी क्या होता है, कॉर्ड मतलब रस्सी, छोटी छोटी रस्सियाँ जो रहती, हंड्रेड्स रस्सियाँ जो रहती हैं वो टूट जाती हैं. यह देख करके छोटे छोटे जो लिटिल मैन्स रहते हैं, फ्राइटन मतलब डर जाते हैं, उसके आसपास जो छोटे छोटे मैन रहते हैं वो डर जाते हैं. द लिटिल मैन रैन बैक इन फियर एंड फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस shot and Gulliver with a number of little arrows. The arrows stuck all over Gulliver's body. They were so small that they did not hurt him. By seeing that tiny cords broke as he moved his left arms, then little man shot an arrow, and the arrow was very small, so they all stuck over Gulliver's body, and they did not hurt. Why? Because they are very small. जैसे ही गुलिवर्स छोटे छोटे आदमी लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी रस्सियाँ टूट गई हैं, देख कर के उन लोग डर जाते हैं और भागने लग जाते हैं, और अपना एरो और बो को निकालते हैं और गुलिवर की बॉडी में छोड़ देते हैं. तो क्या होता है, वो उसकी बॉडी में स्टक मतलब घुस जाते हैं, लेकिन उसको कुछ भी हार्म नहीं होता है, क्योंकि वो बो और एरो बहुत छोटे छोटे रहते हैं. Now Gulliver was feeling very hungry. He had not eaten for many hours. He could not speak the language of the little man, so with his hand he pointed that he wanted food. After some time, the tiny man understood that he was asking for food. Now what happened? Gulliver was very hungry, and he had not eaten for many hours. He had not eaten for many hours. Why? Because Gulliver was traveling in a ship and his ship struck a rock and broke into pieces. Anyhow, all the men were drawn in the sea, but Gulliver was escaped from the death, and he was a good swimmer and managed to reach an island. When he was tired, he was tired, so he decided that he lay down on the soft sandy beach. When he woke up, he found that he was unable to move his legs and arms. Then why? Because his arms and legs were tied with leather strip. Then a few minutes he heard a strange sound. Then he left his leg. Then he saw a 6 inches man with a bow and arrow. Then Gulliver was surprised and he shouted aloud and pulled his arm. Then what happened? Hundreds of tiny cords broke as he moved his left arms. Then from a distance Gulliver with that 6 inches man shot little arrows. The arrows stuck all over the Gulliver bodies. They were small and they did not hurt him. Now Gulliver was feeling hungry, and why? Because he had not eaten for many hours. Then he could and Gulliver could not speak the language of the little man. Why? Because little man language were different and Gulliver's language were different. So Gulliver wanted some foods to eat, but the little man did not understand the language of Gulliver. So with his hand he pointed that he wanted food, and Gulliver pointed with the help of his hands that he wanted to eat foods. After some time the tiny man understood the language that Gulliver wanted food to eat. अब गुलिवर उसको बहुत भूख लगी क्योंकि बहुत देर से उसने कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. तब उसने बोला कि मुझे भूख लग रही है, लेकिन लिटिल मैन्स को यह लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आ रही थी क्योंकि गुलिवर्स की लैंग्वेज अलग थी और लिटिल मैन्स की लैंग्वेज अलग थी. तब गुलिवर ने अपने हाथ से इशारा करके बताया कि मुझे भूख लगी है. तब लिटिल मैन को समझ में आया कि हाँ उनको भूख लगी है, तब वह खाना मांग रहा है. चिल्ड्रेन, this much portion is for today's class. Children, in today's class, the difficult word which we came across in today's portion, let's see. First one is Gulliver. Gulliver, Gulliver. Second one, traveling. Travelling, traveling. Second one, next, escaped. Escaped, escaped. Fourth, strip. Strips, strips. Fifth, strange. Strange, strange. Sixth, cord. Cords, cords. Seventh, frightened. Frightened, frightened. Eighth one, understood. Understood, understood. Ninth one, loaves. Loaves. Children, I hope that you all understood this lesson. In next class, I am going to explain you the remaining portion of the lesson. Children, for that you have to learn the difficult words which I marked with red sketch pen, and children, you have to write it these difficult words also, and you have to read this lesson. Thank you children. Goodbye children.